We help people who are tired of their alarm clock, commute, and 9 to 5 job controlling their existence. We believe people should be in control of their lives, not the jobs they suffer with because of the money they earn. We think time is too valuable to spend doing something we aren't passionate about, which is why we welcome and have open arms to all those who feel like us. So, we decided to create a proven system that requires no selling, that leverages social media using automation. Now, we have thousands of live testimonials from everyday individuals who are running successful home-based businesses. And it all started by attending our free home business workshop. How will you respond? If not now, when? Join us. Grab your seat today by clicking the link now.